Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About x and x, we can do about factorization by x. Next, I will multiply by number 3 on numerator and denominator. Next, we have the formula in here. So you got about number 1. So capital A represent about number 3. So when s approach to number 0, tan of 3x over 3x, you got about number 1. So we have number 3 multiplied by number 1 over number 2 multiplied by number 0 plus 5. And this one we have 3 over 5. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.